follow you, but we're gonna pull in and get something to eat.
What's going on, everybody? I hope you can hear me. This is actually the first moto vlog I've done since I changed out my muffler, and that muffler is really loud, so I'm hoping that you guys can hear me all right. Oh, what do we got going on up here? Gotta love it. All right, anyway, I just replaced the levers with these Amazon Chinese special edition shorty lever things that can be extended into longer levers. I already put them on Mama Bear's R3, and they seem to be working pretty good. I mean, I like them. They're nice and tight. I mean, I don't know. How do you review levers? They're aluminum, you know, anodized, green. They're nice. They were cheap. I think I paid, I don't even know. I think I paid maybe 30 bucks for the set of them. Maybe 40 bucks. I don't know. I thought they were a pretty good deal, so I bought them. And now we're testing them out. Let me see if it stops the bike when I pull in the clutch there. Yep, sounded pretty good. Yep, sounds pretty good. Check the brake out. Oh yeah, oh yeah, she's dipping. She's dipping. Can't hear me. She's got her music going. No turn signal, but I wanted a reminder that we have to go right because they closed the road off. Got to use that turn signal. Yeah, but how about that exhaust though, man? Isn't that crazy? Yeah, it sounds so good. Trying to get a good angle on this camera. I got it so tight I can't really move it. I don't want to break it off my helmet. Ha! Nose hook. But anyway, levers are good, man. Everything's going green on this bike. Mama Bear's bike's already black and green. We're gonna go get something to eat because I am starving, and we got to get another house key made. That's the whole point of this entire trip, is we got to go get another house key because she decided to ride or I don't know how, somehow it turned out where we were both away from the house. I had to go, we had to switch cars, switch vehicles, and I went home and I didn't have a key to get in the house. So we're gonna make sure we got a key on each bike for the house and then a key for both vehicles in the house. Jeez. Yeah, that worked. That worked. Downshifting's nice. Braking's nice. Levers are working good, man. Levers are working good. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 80 some degrees today up here in northeast Ohio, out here in Boontown. Beautiful day to ride. We happen to have the day off of work today because of a screw up at work, so both of us are off work today. Mama Bear actually works with me, Mrs. Moto. Yeah, can you believe that? I've been teaching her how to weld. She can weld, she can grind, she can do it all now. She's basically a little mini machinist there going on at work. She can cut metal, drill holes, you know, do whatever we need her to do. Really takes a load off of my back, and I don't have to worry about, you know, people being hired that I don't know or don't like or whatever the case. I tell you what, I'm really digging the two fingers on the lever. It's nice. Oh, if you stay tuned to the end of this video, you'll see a little tiny sneak peek of a video that will be coming up later on this summer, and I think you'll all enjoy that. Stay tuned for that. Mrs. Moto, me and Mrs. Moto. Oh yeah, man, I lost my train of thought. We're both off work today, and both of our kids happen to be in school. Our youngest one started kindergarten this year, so he's been in school. My oldest one's been in school, so anytime we have a day, and she works with me. So anytime we happen to have a day off together, we can finally go out and do stuff. We can, you know, go out to eat or something, you know, get some breakfast. We usually take the boys everywhere we go, but you know, it's kind of nice getting some meal time in and talk about things without little ears listening in. You all know what I'm talking about. So back to the levers, I prefer mine in the actual stock position, you know, where they were at when I bought the bike. So I put them back in that same position. I don't know how you guys like to ride with them, but I feel like for me, that's really comfortable. And I don't really have big hands or anything. And the fact that you can adjust these levers is really nice. So I got mine set all the way as close to the handlebar as possible, as close to the handle, because I got really short fingies. So that works out pretty good for me. I'm thinking I should be getting a new hood. I'm talking about welding. A new helmet, you know what I'm saying? I think it's about time I get a new helmet. I've had this helmet. This is that, what is this called? The, oh man, I don't even remember. I don't like it though, it's round. I don't like the big round helmets that make you look like a bobblehead. I like the more oblong, like oval shaped helmets, you know what I mean? They don't make your head look so big. Wow, that's a beautiful house. I don't remember seeing that. That's a beautiful man right there. Don't remember seeing that. Oh man, something just hit me in the face. Oh, the helmet. The visor. The visor. How about Mrs. Moto though? I mean, look at her. You know what I'm saying? I never thought in a million years that I alone would have a motorcycle, let alone ride with my wife. That's just insanity. Oh, we're almost to our destination. I am starving to death. Trying to get the old beach bod going, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to watch what I eat. So, yeah, I gotta watch what I eat. Oh, the popos are here. Uh-oh, here come the popos. Too much murder. Yeah, raise your hand if you know what I'm talking about. All this gravel. Oh my god, there's so much gravel. Yes, taking up an entire parking spot all to myself. Yeah, boy. So yeah, I mean, I like them. They're pretty good. They're pretty cool. They fold up, you know. That's pretty dumb, but they fold up. I don't know what the hell you ever use that for. Them fold up. But I'm really digging the two fingers, you know. It's hard to see, but I like the two fingers on it. I don't know why. I don't know. It's comfortable. What do you think, Miss Moto?
30 and a 45 or a 55? 30.
Who?
The little man.
What old man?
The two in front of us.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the naked dude on the lawnmower.
55.
Oh. That's alright. Are you in a hurry to get somewhere?
Had a phone call.
Yeah, a phone call. Alright, we're here. Alright, got my chili dogs in me. Nice and full now. Had to stop at Ace and get a key made for my house. And we're on our way back home. I don't know what else there is to say. Let's do it. When I was sitting there eating my chili dogs, you know, I'm a chili dog kind of guy. I don't know about you. I don't know if you like, what are you, chili dogs? You like hamburgers? Like, you know, usually usually you got your preference. You go somewhere to eat, you either order a hamburger or chili dogs. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing beats a good chili dog. They just slide down the hatch. You can eat about 6 of them. Anyway, I was sitting there eating my chili dog, and there's this little 4-year-old kid eating his ice cream cone across the table from me. Cutest little thing. Smart kid too, man. He was putting on full sentences, and it was wow. I mean, I think kids can talk at 4, but I mean, some better than others. And this kid was talking pretty darn good. Whatever just hit my windshield just exploded. It was so disgusting. I forgot we were turning right there. I almost totally just cut Mr. Moto off right there. See? Always gotta be paying attention, even in your own little group. Trying to talk to you guys. I can't talk and drive at the same time. You should see what happens when I text and drive. I'm just kidding. Don't text and drive. I'm just kidding. Hey, we made it! Mr. Moto, can you believe it?
Yeah.
Wow, thank God, too. We live to ride another day.
Ow!
Uh-oh, what'd you do? You touched the hot thing. Oh, man. Oh, Mrs. Moto. Oh, man. All right, that's all. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up. Hit the bell icon so you know when other videos are going to drop. And definitely subscribe. Appreciate you. Later.